Hello everyone. This is one of the interesting question, and it is related with the plate tectonic. And this type of questions are generally came in the net GRF and other exam also, in GATE also. So first read the question and try to answer it by yourself. After that, I will explain the whole question. Okay. Now, in this question, considering the plate movement in late Cretaceous to Cenozoic, which of the following statement is true with respect to 90-degree east ridge? Okay, as we know that 90-degree east ridge is present within the Indian Ocean, and it is here. So we call it as the 90-degree east Indian ridge. Okay. Now, which one of the following is correct? We have to answer that. Okay. And before that, how the 90-degree east Indian ridge formed due to Kerguelen hotspot. Okay, once upon a time, the Indian plates are moving above the Kerguelen hotspot. Due to that, there is formation of Rajmahal traps. It is considered that it is formed due to the Kerguelen hotspot, which are now located within the Antarctica plate. Once upon a time, it is located within the Indian plate. Okay, and there is one more hotspot which are now located in African plate, and it is reunion hotspot. This is Kerguelen hotspot. Due to reunion hotspot, our Deccan traps. Okay, Deccan volcanism took place. Okay, and our this Maldives chain are also formed due to reunion hotspot, and this reunion hotspot is presently located within the African plate. Okay, these two questions already came within the exam. In which plate the Kerguelen hotspot is located, and which plate the reunion hotspot is located. Okay, and this is the mid-oceanic ridge RRR ridge ridge ridge. Okay, now coming back to our question, this is the basic information that I am giving to you. There are so many questions can be built from the world plate tectonic. Question can be generated from this part also, so I'm not going into that detail. If you need a detailed video on that, you can mention in the comment box so that I can make a whole video on the world plate tectonic, so that most of the questions that came in the exam you can answer easily. Now coming back to our option, oceanic basalt of the ridge are older in the northern and youngest in the southern side. Okay, it means older in the here older material is present, and here the younger. Okay, because the plate is moving from here to here now. So first this spot, first here Rajmahal formation or Rajmahal traps are formed due to Kerguelen, and Indian plate is moving further north, and slowly this chain is built up. Okay, 90-degree east Indian ridge is built up. Okay, so it means olders present in the north and younger material is present in the south. Okay, so our option first is correct. But we have to read other option also. We might get some other information also. The oceanic ridge are younger in the north and older in the south. And we can, after reading the question, we can find easily that the answer between these two options also. Okay. The option both are opposite each other. Generally, the answer is in between those two options. Okay, then we can for other option we can forget at that time the exam. But it's a 4 marks question. We have to go with all 4 options. The age of the oceanic basalt of the ridge are same from north to south. This is not built at the same time. The whole chain is not built at the same time because it took time, million of year time. Okay, from Indian plate moving from here to here took millions of times. So age is not same. The older sediments of the ridge are formed in the south. This option is interesting. Okay, here they might ask this question again with the context to this option. Okay, the older sediments of the ridge are found in the south. If this is the younger, how we get the older sediment here? Definitely we will get the older sediment here. Okay, this is older sediment here. Okay, because this is newly, this is the older age, so we can get the older material or older sediments deposited over that present in the northern side instead of southern side. They must this question again with the context to this option. Either this option is wrong also at the present scenario. Thank you. Hope you understand the basic of plate tectonic with respect to Indian context. Try to share this video with your friends so that they can benefit from it, and subscribe the channel so that you can get more videos. Thank you.